I'm really happy to welcome you here in our morning briefing show every morning, Monday to Friday, 8:30, right before the markets open. Here in Bangkok, it's 1:30 in the afternoon. So, and I appreciate it a lot that you spend your very precious lifetime with me this morning. Again, I hope you are really successful. You are happy to have this wonderful new trading and business day. So we stream this show on YouTube at the same time. You will find a button in the right corner on YouTube, maybe right now or later is a recording. Then you can subscribe this channel. You can follow all webinars from this lovely team, Paul, Jens, and myself. Of course, you can give us a like, thumb up if you want, or thumb down if you say, no, it's not so the best. It's just your choice. And if you want, you can leave us a comment below the video if you think we should analyze something or we should talk about a very special topic, what's driving you crazy, what is touching you, something like this. So please feel free to get in touch with me or with Admirals, and we will do the best to make you the best trader ever. And this is my job, to help you out and to lead you to your own trading success. And I personally, I'm absolutely sure that you can get it. You are the exception. You are the one. You are the Harry Potter. You are the Hermione Granger of trading. And I'm absolutely sure that you can manage and handle this. So who is with me this morning? LT Relaction on YouTube. Good morning. Darom Anka, good morning. Bernd, good morning. Jenny, good morning. And Roman, greetings from Bangkok to Helsinki. Yeah, you have pull off permafrost. Okay, we have 30 degrees and rain. That's completely opposite. So maybe we can change a little bit to each other. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. So, and here we go. And the chat on YouTube also. That's lovely. So who is with me on Zoom this morning? Karel, good morning. Irene, Mladen, Raquel, Janos, Vasilena, good morning. Del, Rainer, Hartmund, Isaac, wonderful morning. Radu, Jens, I'm happy to have you here. So let's start with the quote of the day. And trend followers are not lucky. They are prepared for the unexpected. And as you know, you should expect the unexpected things on the right side of the chart. Therefore, as a trend follower, you are not lucky. You do a great job. You do an amazing job. You do exactly that job what all the other people don't want to do. You and me, we do that job, what is necessary to become successful on the long run. And we are always prepared for the unexpected things in trading. And I'm happy that we can do this together every morning. So the upcoming events for today, you see, Tuesday, free, nothing, completely free. Maybe it's a kind of recovery day. We will see about the charts right now. So if you want to be well informed, best informed, then it's a good thing. Yeah, you follow us on Admiral, on Telegram with the Admiral Telegram channel there. You will find the link in the chat right now and on YouTube also. Click right now. And then if you have, how should I say, if you have Telegram on your phone or on your screen, then you can follow this awesome channel. Maybe you might be more fan of Twitter, then you can follow Admirals on Twitter too. The name there is Admirals Global, and there you'll find similar content. And if you want to follow me, DayTrader7. Oh, by the way, again, ladies and gentlemen, please let me show you this again. I know, unfortunately, I have so many fake accounts outside because people copying me and use my name, use my pictures to send you spam, to send you scam. Yesterday, a woman sent me and was blaming me what I'm doing there, why I sent her nude pictures from me. And I said, sorry, I'm not in a position to send you pictures from me. Of course not. So that was really amazing. So please, in heaven's sake, before you get private message, whatever there is, make sure that it's really me. And believe me, if we are not in a friendship, if we don't have any kind of connections, I will never get in touch with you. So on Twitter, there's just only one original Markus Gabel, and that's Daytrader70. This is me. So for example, if you use Instagram and you follow Admirals Global there also, please, my name there is my profile. Look at this one. This is official Markus Gabel. No underline, no dot, not something like this, just this one. So if there is anything different, yeah, then it's not me. Okay, so please be aware of that. I will never send you any pictures from me on my body or something like this. Of course not. So I apologize if you have something like this, but it's absolutely not me. So let's go to our trading. And we start with, as always, every morning with next 10 minutes. Yeah, and we were deep in the green zone. We had a long running downtrend. So, and Eon, good morning. McDonald, good morning. Simeon, nice to have you here. Welcome. Matej, also nice to have you here. So, and we were deep in the green zone, and it looks like that where price will go back to its own point of control. And actually, point of control of 10 on 10 minutes is at 14,012 points. So we were extremely cheap. And now it seems we see at the Tuesday, the turnaround Tuesday, that could be possible today. So how do I trade it? As I teach you by myself every day. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. So I have two positions open right now. So the first one is the short one. It's running since Thursday last week. So I trailed my stop loss above below every 0.3. 0.3, 0.3, the purple line. My hard stop is just quite far away because I work with the soft stop, mental stop, because I don't want to get out by a stupid spike, something like this. But now I can see, okay, it looks like that the price will break the downtrend with the current candle. Yeah. So, and then the downtrend is over, and then I trail my hard stop closer and take the money the market presents me. Okay, so and I'm happy and grateful that I can do this wonderful trade. But at the same time, yeah, I realized this morning, okay, there is, here we go. There is a new, what happened? Come on. So there was a new uptrend. So, and after this correction, it was, by the way, not 38%. I decided to open a trade at the 0.2 as a corrective trend. And now it seems that this new uptrend will become the new main trend. Yeah. So, and this is what happens why the number here at DAX, the profit number, does not change, because I lose on the one side. I'm deep in profit, by the way, and I win on the other side. So, and now, yeah, my stop loss of the long position is here at the last 0.3. And let's see what happens next. We are trend followers. And you see, ladies and gentlemen, this is a simple system. It's really simple. Trend following means you don't have to speculate. Yes, you have to speculate. Speculare, you mean observing. That's what we have to do. You don't have to analyze. You don't have to interpret. So I have to trail. I have to get in action right now. And here we go. Now I trail my hard stop here down, because actually we have a close above my purple line, which means now the price tells me this story. Listen to me, Marcus. This downtrend, now it's over. Not I was the person who said the trend is over. No, the price showed me. And you see, I don't have to analyze. Yeah, I don't have to interpret. I just see it. I'm right here. I see it. There is nothing to interpret. There is nothing to analyze. I see it with my own eyes. I listen to the market because he's yelling me right now, the Marcus, now the trend is over and not before. And you are a happy and lucky guy that you open the long position because now we are on the long trend. So, but I let the market decide how much money I will get. So this is a really simple system, Hartmut, great, yeah? That's really cool. I'm really happy for you. So you see, trend following. Yeah? You just do what is already there. And you see, that's the real freedom of a private trader. Just follow what you see. That's the point. And that's a system you can learn. That's pure logic. That's really pure logic. And you know, no emotions needed for this. Just you follow something. You have emotions if you try to predict, if you try to analyze what could happen. That's not the job. And why you're getting emotionally? By interpreting, predicting. Yeah, because just you hope that what you predict will come. So now here we are right now. You see, and I guess, I don't know, we made 500 pips. I don't know. I don't care. At the same time, with a long position, we are 150 pips points in profit. Yeah. So let's wait for the next correction, and then we can pyramid, build up the next position. Let's see what we can do. Just only when the trend, when the rules are there. But after the next correction, we can still go long. Yes, of course, until up to the fourth trend arm, you can go long. And if you see where we are about the price, then you see we are still deep in the green zone. We have a lot of space to go up to the point of control. Maybe this could be a long running trend, maybe for the next 1, 2, 3 days. I don't know. Yeah. So therefore, don't miss the entry. Yeah. I had indeed, of course, I had a big advantage this morning because I'm in Bangkok. I'm 5 hours before. Here it's 1:45 right now. So this was my morning when I opened a position. Yeah, but last year I lost so much money. I guess I deserve a little bit advantage for this trading right now. But so the next correction will come, but then you have to wait. Yeah, you know, 38% correction. If not, it's basically not allowed. So let's see. Omar, good morning. Dan, Isaac, good morning. Daniel, Yanis, AT, Thomas, good morning. Andre, good morning. I'm happy to have you here. So DAX is going on. Let's see about the other instruments. And we start with Bitcoin. Oh, and Bitcoin was really dropping down. Oh my gosh. So, and here you see what happens if you miss a trend. That's a long running trend. So we had a low this morning or this night. In heaven's sake, we had a low below the first time since very, very long time, below $30,000. That was a big drama for a lot of crypto, crypto followers. That's really, really bad. Yeah. So let's see, but the trend is still down. We don't have to do something. That's for the moment. Let's check Dow Jones. And in Dow Jones, we have also a downtrend, and we are just waiting for a new uptrend. So actually that's still the downtrend move, correction up, and that's the last low. So we are still in a downtrend. Actually, for me, there is nothing to do. Then let's check the DAX in 4-hourly chart in case you are more on the long run. And yeah, here we also in basically short position and in a short run. And it's this one. We're starting here, move, correction, and a big correction. And now we saw finally a trend continuation here. Yeah. So, but here in the 4-hourly chart also, the point of control is really quite far away. Yeah. So maybe we can expect higher prices, and you see the volume zone. Yeah, there is nothing. Look, there is nothing which is comparable with this, with the point of control. That's really interesting. So maybe we should not be surprised when we see higher prices in the next days. Yeah, let's see. Maybe the end of the war, Ukraine, Russia, because it looks not like that Russia will win this war. Maybe kind of freedom, relieving, yeah, something like this, then of course the market's going up again. Let's see. So always expect the unexpected things in trading. So we have Bitcoin, we have DAX, Dow. Then let's see gold. And of course, if you want to analyze something, type in the chat. I can see Isaac. I saw your natural gas. I will analyze it for you. And in gold, we have also nothing changed since yesterday. There was no trend continuation because that was the last point too at 1,849. There was no trend continuation, but you should be prepared for a continuation of this downtrend because the point of control is down at $1,792, and you know that's a kind of guarantee that the price will go back to the point of control. That's what we have to do, and what we have to expect. Yeah. And finally, Euro USD. Finally, Euro USD. Yeah, still down, of course, still down. We were starting here first, next, and next, and then here next, and this one. Oh my gosh. So that's the point 2. That's the last point 3. So, and everything what happens between those 2 points, it's just correction. Yeah. Is there a downtrend? Is there an uptrend in already? No, it's not, because that's point 2. And this spike is kind of fake, which means we don't have a valid trend. We need a close above this point here, and then a correction, and then maybe we can do this. So just wait for it, be patient. If you have a long running downtrend, be happy. Yeah, and take the money the market will give you. You know, I can repeat myself every day. Trend following is a very unpopular trading style. Why is it? Yes, once you made your job by open your trade, you give up the responsibility to the market. You take it to them and you see, okay, market, please show me now the trend. And please show me where I can trade my stop. So please talk to me. And the market is talking to you. The market is showing you where is the last point 3, where's the correction point, where you get out, where you have your stop loss. So, and this is why it's so unpopular, because people love to have the control. But in trading, you can not control the right side of the chart, what's happening next, unless you have big money and you can influence the price. But if not, then you cannot influence what happens now. You don't know what happens next. So therefore, it's easier to follow. Yeah, that's Euro USD. Okay, before we come to your questions, before we come to my running trades and maybe proposals, I want to ask you the question of the day. And the question of the day is, on this Tuesday, what is the biggest challenge in your trading? Sticking to the rules, calculating my risk and money, or finding the right markets for me? So what is your biggest challenge in trading? This, I'm wondering about the result. So Isaac was asking about natural gas. Let's see if we get natural gas. Okay, I guess I have to find it in this way. So symbols, not Forex, energies. Here we go. Energies, and here's nat gas. Here we go. Okay, so let's see natural gas. So first of all, let's see where is the point of control. Oh, let's look interesting. Oh, the point of control is quite far away. 3.71. So we saw a top. Okay. Maybe we should be prepared. So let's see. Oh yeah, there's a trend. Isaac, well done. Very good proposal. Because we're starting here. 1 and 2. Yeah, now maybe we can wait for the next correction. So be prepared. We should put it on a watch list. Natural gas. Let's say thank you to Isaac because he found this cool chart. Thank you, Isaac. Really cool. So just put it in a watch list, not yet. Maybe anywhere due this day. Okay, so is there no? Omar, wonderful, good morning. Dan, good morning. Isaac also on YouTube, good morning. So let's see about my running trades. And we start with Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Come on. So the point is here also, we're still in a long trend. No, we are not. Because you see, we had a clear close below the last 0.3. And now the market is telling me the story, Marcus, the downtrend, the uptrend now is over. It's broken right now. Trail the stop now. So, and this is what I did this morning. After I had this close, I trailed my stop to the low of this candle, but I don't go out manually because I have to expect the unexpected thing. So what is if the price now is creating a new uptrend? Maybe, I don't know. Do you know what happens next? Should we analyze? Should we talk about fundamental data? No, it's not our job as a private trader because fundamental data, you just can't interpret because just numbers. And as Richard Dennis mentioned, we don't make money with fundamental data, with analyzing. We make money with buying and selling. And if you understand the logic of buying and selling, you know, what's the job? Buying cheap and selling expensive. So, and if you're wondering how expensive the market can become, what you have to do, follow the price. As long as the market says, now it's over. Cool stuff, right? Okay, What trading platform are you using? This is MetaTrader 5. This is MetaTrader 5. So, and on the right side of the chart, actually, we have a new and fresh downtrend. We have a new down, and now we are waiting for a correction, deeper 38, then balance candle, and then let's trade to the short direction because point of control is quite far on the lower side. But also be prepared, maybe a new down uptrend. I don't know. And by the way, I don't care. So Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, just we had a new top, but without a close, not really a close, just a fake, and no contrary trend. Just let it run. Euro Australian dollar, oh my gosh, 872 pips in profit. So we create a new top here, the last 0.2, and you know it's our first pyramiding system. We have 2 positions in profit for the moment, yeah, but just only the first one is in profit. The second one is not. We are waiting for the next correction, and then maybe we go out. Oh, by the way, we hit already the point of control. Yeah, we hit it already. Yeah. So, and I can show you, let's see, Euro Australian dollar. I show you about the point of control. Or is it Euro? No, it's not. Sorry, that was Euro New Zealand dollar. Oh, yo, we have space. Oh, yeah. Oh, just let it go. Oh, my heaven's sake, just let it go. Okay, Euro Japanese yen. Yeah, same, you know. Actually, the downtrend is still broken and we are still in an uptrend. So just let it go. You can see on the right side, the price is going up. So just let it go. Here we go. Now, Euro New Zealand dollar. Oh my gosh. Look, 1,189 pips in profit. Cool. That's a perfect example for trend following. So we have a new top and we are in profit with 2 positions. And here, this is what I want to show you, because actually in Euro New Zealand dollar, we hit the point of control. I saw it this morning. Do we? Yeah. Come on, guys. I told you, right? Weeks ago, we are deep in a green zone and the probability is 100% that we reach the point of control. Did I? Or didn't I? I did. I told you. And today we reached it again. Here's the perfect example why we should think in prices and not the product. Who cares the product? We are traders. We're buying cheap and selling as much as expensive as possible. How expensive can the price become? I don't know. I don't know. I don't have to interpret. I don't have to analyze. I just have to follow the price. So, and here you can see, where is my last stop loss? It's below the last 0.3. So I don't know what happens next. Let's see how far the trend will go. Maybe next correction, maybe next move. I don't know. To be honest, I guess we were circling around the point of control for the next days. So in heaven's sake, sit, if you are still in, sit on your hands. So I want to know from you, who is with me in this trade? Who is still long in Euro New Zealand dollar? Who is still long and who is out? So type in the chat box, me in or me out. I am, Alexandro, so proud of you. Yeah, I am really proud of you. Really, really cool. So the next chance is waiting about the next corner. So be patient. New Zealand Canadian dollar. New Zealand Canadian dollar. I hope it will working. Yeah, here we go. Still short. Stop loss above the last 0.3. Just let it go. McDonald, next one is yours. And US dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, still up. Yeah, no trend continuation. just in a correction, just let it go. So that's my running trades. And let's see the account. Round about 3,000. And where we are, equity, we are back over 5,000 euros. So my goal, my final goal this year is to get back to the initial account size. It was 10,000 euros. This is my final goal until the end of this year. What do you think? Do we get it? Let's see. I hope so. I will do everything for that. Yeah. So just quick through my proposals. Euro Canadian dollar, waiting for a correction. British pound Swiss franc, price is still circling around. Yeah, and we will get a new chance, just waiting. Australian dollar Swiss franc, yeah, maybe that could be a great chance because the trend is still valid. Now we see a changing of the color. You should be prepared for a long trade. Swiss franc Japanese yen, it's a down. I just wanted to show you that the long is over, and for a short it's too old. Yeah. And British pound Japanese yen, I wanted to go short here. I had a pending order because it was the third trend arm and the point of control is quite far away on the lower side, but I can see balanced candle right now and higher prices. I'm not sure if the price will go down. Just I still leave it here, the pending order, in case that the trend will continue, then I'm a part of it. So with what leverage you're playing with, that's the maximum. I'm placed here in Europe. With this account, I just can work with 130 or 120. So, and by the way, I work on all my private accounts. I just have a leverage of maximum 130. And in my, if I trade for my clients in the asset management, I don't use any leverage. Maximum, I guess 1.4, but I don't need leverage because I make enough money with this. So I can just recommend, please stop using high leverage. So make an account here at Admirals and use normal leverage, because if you have a strategy like trend following, you make enough money. Yeah. And if you think you can become rich with a high level, I can promise you, you will lose everything, and you can start from new one. And I guess this is not what you promised to your family or to your friends, that you can make money with trading. I guess this is not what you promised. Okay, my question for you today was, what is the biggest challenge in your trading? So we had a kind of clear answer. 61% says sticking to the rules, and 14% calculating my risk and money, and 25% finding the right markets for me. Okay, I will remind this for me, and I will talk about the next days about the biggest challenge in your trading. And then maybe you're wondering, what is my biggest challenge in trading? You want to know it? You want to know? I tell you tomorrow, or maybe on Thursday. Then I tell you what is my biggest challenge. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for listening me and for listening Admirals. I hope you will have an open account at Admirals, or maybe you can open right now some. And let's say thank you to Admirals that we can do this every morning. I send you greetings from my bottom of my heart and from Bangkok here. And I hope we see each other tomorrow again. Keep cool. You are the chosen one. Yeah, you are the Harry Potter of trading. You are the Hermione Granger of trading. You are the exception. And you are here to change the world for you and your family. See you tomorrow. Have courage and be kind. And